Okay, so for today's video, I'll teach you how to say sorry. You apologize it to them. So I was following this FX and Pajero, and they're nagkakaroon, they're totok the FX of the Pajero, and then this is the best overtaking spot because of diretso, and I see the it is slightly only, and my wrong judgment is there's an elf bow, and then I busina him, and he said, okay, yan, di ba? Ganun lang naman yun eh. If you sabat someone and then you say sorry, there's no problematic after all. So you just have to say sorry. And then this FX, hindi niya kayang overtaken yung Pajero, kaya he signal me and you go ahead, you overtation him. So I overtation and tinirok din last mong isa, sorry, my faults. And then I overtation in the Pajero here, and then even my passenger is looking, sinide look pa eh, bounty wall. And then this is the elf. The elf is in Navitin in the sharp curve, so I have to cambio it again also. And I want to overtation, but there's a kalaban. Yan. So before you overtation, you wait for it. So if you see that there are no car in the trees, you overtake. My God, bakit ang hirap na magsalita ngayon? So that is it. So if you sabat someone, you busina it, you say you yes them, you say you apologetic to them. So that's all. Tabang number 1.